Salutations friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I've already unboxed this, I'll get into it in a minute, but it's going to be on the SKINSTAR Korean beauty box. So I'm going to share with you what was in here, try and explain this to you guys as best of my abilities, and that'll kind of explain why I already unboxed this. Anyway, let's get into First things first, they did reach out and offer to send this to me. And I was very grateful because they didn't ask for a review. They just wanted me to film an unboxing. And if you guys don't know, some of the very first videos I did on my channel, some of the cringiest videos I did on my channel, like 4 years ago, forever ago, were actually subscription services and me sharing the unboxing and doing things like that. This is actually like OG Beauty Meow channel right here. So that was really cool. So I did say yes, as long as I could be transparent and open. They're like, yeah, of course. Now, the thing with SKINSTAR, and the reason why I've already unboxed this, is I actually filmed an unboxing video. And then I realized I was trying to explain what the service is. And I just kind of mumble-jumbled through the video. And then I figured I could edit it. I couldn't edit it. I can't even edit good videos, let alone mumble-jumbled stuff. So let me just kind of explain what I think this service is, and we'll go from there. It is a Korean beauty. This was shipped from Korea for Korean beauty brands, so KBeauty. Cruelty-free brands. They research specific ingredients that are supposed to be really good for different types of skin, or just kind of very universal. The general idea of this box and this, this experience was really cool. And some of the brands that they worked with, one particularly, I have a real solid love experience with that brand, and I brought a product that I've purchased several different times to kind of show you. And I was like, okay, like I love this brand specifically. I'd like to try other brands. I do genuinely enjoy KBeauty. I'll do it. So it's not a subscription box. You don't pay a fee. I feel like what it is you apply or sign up to get products to review, to earn points, to get more products to review. There is no way to spend money that I've seen or looked into. It just seems like every month they send you a box. You sign up, you review the box, you get more stuff, you review the products. I don't know. So I'm gonna link below the box if you guys want to check it out. That is not an affiliate link, so don't worry. I'm literally just linking the website. But I am still going to share with you the products in this box. So, SKINSTAR box, let's get into the unboxing, although I've already unboxed this. Let's go. One product I'd already used, it was a pore strip for your nose. I am for those, against those. I'm very weird with them, but I figured I'd give it a shot. It worked pretty well. I forget what brand it was. I don't think it was like a throw-in, but it was like one pore strip for your nose. So I got all the products here. I got sent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, including the nose mask. 8 products. These retail for about $300. So this was actually a very generous box. These are all full-size products. The brand that they sent me the most of is the brand that I'm most excited for and I've purchased in the past, and it's a little hiccup. So the PureHeals, they sent me the Centella 90 Ampoule, the Acento Leaf sleeping mask, and I believe this is part of this month's box or something, the Propolis softening toner, and the Centella eye cream. And this is a lot of eye cream. This is gonna last me like a year. So I've purchased PureHeals in the past. I love the Propolis line. I have right here, this was not sent to me, this was purchased, the Propolis sleeping mask. I've used through 3 of these. This is not cheap. I think it costs me, because it's kind of hard to find an exact price for it, I think I've spent between $65 and $95 on this. So it's not not a cheap product. I know this is like $70. So I've gone through like 2 or 3 of these. I use it twice a week. It is fantastic. I love it. So when I saw this brand was in the box, I was really excited because it is a brand I have experience with and a brand that I love. So I think they had a cleansing oil. I could be wrong. I might be thinking of something else. I don't remember. There's 1 or 2 other products from this brand I've tried to and really enjoyed. I just can't for the life of me remember what they are, but the sleeping mask is like amazing. So this is really good for soothing the skin, and it's really fantastic for just like adding like a really nice rich moisture to the skin when you wake up in the morning. My skin always feels amazing when I wear it or when I use it at night. And normally what I'll do is I'll put on my moisturizer at night maybe an hour earlier than I would. Let that really soak into my skin, let my skin really absorb it, and then I put a nice layer of this on and then go to bed in like 15-20 minutes when it's kind of like sat on my skin a little bit. And my skin wakes up looking as pretty as it possibly could, considering my skin. So this is the Acento Leaf. So they sent me 3 parts of the lineup. This is supposed to be really good for tired skin, firming, things like that. Really excited to add these to my skincare routine. I might actually try both of these, work with them together, do these 1 time a week, this 1 time a week rather than this twice a week. We'll see. I'll definitely give it a go. I'm trying to use through another sleeping pack before I open something else, so that'll probably be like another week or 2 before I do that. Super excited for that, and I'm really excited for this toner actually, because I've seen it and I'm kind of excited for it, like kind of legitimately excited for it. You didn't see me when I opened the box and I saw this. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I was like fangirling over this toner because that's how I live my life. So those are the 4 products from PureHeals that I was really excited for. And then I got 2 products from EssenceHerb. I don't know how to say that. So it is a tea tree foam cleanser, and this is a tea tree cleansing water. Now, I love products like this. I love companion products like this. Tea tree is really good, but you do have to be mindful of tea tree. If you have very sensitive skin, it can aggravate it. So just be very careful with tea tree, at least from what I've noticed, or when I had people come in when I worked at Ulta and they were complaining about like products they'd use on their skin, and tea tree was one of them, and they just had a really bad reaction to it. I don't have a problem with tea tree. I put it on my scalp because my scalp is one of those buggers that just needs as much love and attention as it can get. Or like literally will like dampen my scalp with tea tree and just rub it in. So I know I'm good. So I'm excited. I'm almost out of my cleanser, so this will be great to try. And I'm almost out of my cleansing water, my micellar water. So this will be great. These will be great products to try and see if I like this brand. And if it's something like, you know, I'm gonna like repurchase. If not, it's fun to try. The last product in here I'm excited for is an exfoliator, and it's from BRTC, and it's the pH 5.5 Vita Peeling Gel with niacinamide and PHA. Now, niacinamide is a product that I have to use because good Lord do I have congestion. My skin is super prone to blackheads, congestion, giant pores. It is like the song of my people. It's just blackheads. It's just fun, super exciting. So niacinamide is, I use the salicylic acid and niacinamide are 2 of the ingredients that I look for in just about everything just to help with that. And niacinamide I've noticed has been really good with just making my pores like be less congested and appear smaller. So I'm not sure if that's what it's supposed to do, but it does a really good job. So when I saw this, super excited. I'm already using a product that's kind of similar to this. So again, I'm going to use through that product for the sake of freshness. I know I have a lot of products that have been sitting in boxes for a very long time, but I don't want to open them and not use them. I'd rather keep them fresh and kind of sealed. If you guys ever want a tour of my skincare cabinet, you will be horrified. At least I think you'll be horrified, but I'd be happy to do that for you guys if you would like. Let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, I'm excited to try this product. So that is the SKINSTAR box. And again, I'm going to link the website below if you want to check it out. Again, I'm boggled by what this is, but I am excited for these products. I'm excited to try these things. And if you would like a dedicated review of any of these products, I'd be more than happy to do it. Please give me at least 3 months from the time of this video, because a lot of these products, maybe the sleeping mask, I can give you guys a review of after using it for a week or two, because normally I kind of get the idea of the results like within the next morning. If I use it 2 or 3 times, I'll know. But a lot of skincare products, you really want to wait until you give your skin enough time to really show real results. And I like to be realistic when I review skincare products. It's one of the reasons why I stopped reviewing skincare products so frequently, because I found products that I really loved and I didn't want to change my routine and like have to not use the products that I loved for like 3 months because I was like testing out something new. But I do love me some skincare, so I am excited for these products and, you know, for this entire experience. But anyway, I'm going to stop blabbering on. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much to SKINSTARbox.com something for sending me these products. And if I learn more about this brand, I will pin a comment below. So check the comments, and if you see a pinned comment from me, I might have updated information on this box and the service. But currently right now, it just looks like, you know, you sign up and if, you know, you meet requirements, they send you a box to review stuff. So it's kind of cool. It was very nice of them to reach out to me. I greatly appreciate it. In any case, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.